Do you know the amazing benefits of eating sesame seeds every day? Yes, those tiny, unassuming seeds that you often overlook are actually superstars of nutrition. Packed with essential nutrients, these diminutive seeds can have a colossal impact on your health. From boosting heart health to supporting digestion, the humble sesame seed is something of a marvel in the world of wellness. So, are you intrigued yet? Stick around to find out the incredible health benefits of adding these tiny seeds to your daily diet. First, let's unravel what's inside these tiny yet mighty sesame seeds. Despite their small size, they pack a hefty nutritional punch. Each seed is a treasure trove of nutrients, starting with dietary fiber. A 3-tablespoon serving of sesame seeds provides about 12% of your recommended daily intake of fiber, essential for digestive health. But that's not all. These seeds are an excellent source of protein, a crucial building block for your body's tissues and muscles. The same serving size gives you around 5 grams of protein. Let's not forget the healthy fats. Sesame seeds are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, known to support heart health. And then there are the vitamins and minerals. They're a good source of bone-strengthening calcium, immune-boosting zinc, and nerve-nourishing magnesium. Plus, they contain a range of B vitamins for energy production. As you can see, sesame seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. Now that you're aware of the nutritional content, let's dive into the benefits of eating sesame seeds every day. These tiny powerhouses are packed with health benefits that might astonish you. Let's start with their ability to boost digestive health. Thanks to their high fiber content, sesame seeds can help keep your digestive system running smoothly, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Remember, a happy gut is a cornerstone of overall health. Next, let's talk about skin health. Sesame seeds are rich in antioxidants and healthy fats. These elements help nourish your skin from the inside out, promoting a healthy complexion and even combating signs of aging. So, the glow you've been looking for might just be a handful of sesame seeds away. But the benefits don't stop at the mirror. Sesame seeds are also known for supporting heart health. They contain a significant amount of heart-friendly mono and polyunsaturated fats. These fats work to lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. It's like having a little cardio cheerleader in every seed. Moving on, these seeds are also excellent for strengthening your immune system. They are a good source of zinc, a mineral that plays a critical role in immune function. Regular consumption of sesame seeds can help bolster your body's defenses, helping you ward off infections and diseases. Last but not least, sesame seeds may play a role in blood sugar control. They are low in carbs and high in quality protein and healthy fats, a combination that can help prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. This could be particularly beneficial for those managing diabetes or prediabetes. In a nutshell, incorporating sesame seeds into your diet could boost your digestive and skin health, support your heart, strengthen your immune system, and aid in blood sugar control. All these benefits packed into a seed that's no bigger than the tip of a pencil. Isn't it surprising how such a small seed can offer so many health benefits? Now you might be wondering, how do I add these seeds to my daily diet? Well, it's simpler than you might think. One of the easiest ways is to sprinkle sesame seeds over your salads, giving them a delightful crunch and a nutty flavor. They also blend well in smoothies, adding a punch of nutrients without altering the taste. Ever considered stir-fries? Sesame seeds can be lightly toasted and added to your stir-fries, making them not just healthy, but also visually appealing. And let's not forget about sesame seed oil. This aromatic oil can be used for cooking or drizzling over dishes, enhancing their flavor while providing you with all the amazing benefits of sesame seeds. You could also incorporate sesame seeds into your baking, adding them to breads, muffins, or cookies. And for a quick snack, why not try sesame seed bars? They're delicious, nutritious, and perfect for on the go. With so many ways to enjoy sesame seeds, you can easily reap their health benefits. To recap, eating sesame seeds every day can provide you with a myriad of health benefits. These tiny powerhouses are packed with essential nutrients like fiber, protein, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. Incorporating them into your diet can improve your heart health, strengthen your bones, and even help manage diabetes. They're a simple yet effective way to boost your overall health and wellness. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more informative videos like this.